Hi everybody, this is Peggy. I'm showing you our working shop of the mold making. See that all of the molds are placed on the floor, and do you see that this mold is the one part of the Barbie doll's heart. And this one is the body of the Barbie doll. This is the 14-inch, and this one is the 10-inch, and all these other parts, legs, hands, and head, and this one is the 14. See that? We test the mold by our old rote molding machines, and this is the test samples. There were three different sizes. One is 14, 12, and 10 inches. This is the last body, hands test sample. All these are ready for shipments. Welcome everybody to review my YouTube. Please inquiry if you are interested to me. I will to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you. Hi everybody, I'm showing you the details of the molds. See that? Can you guess what is it? This is the hand. Yeah, this is the finished test sample, and this is the corresponding mold. Welcome everybody to send an inquiry to me if you are interested, and we can make the molds, and we have our old rote molding machine, and also we can make the finishing product. This is the hand too, and I will show you the last. This is the last. See that? This is the last, and this is the body. This is the body. See that? So every part here. Thank you to click to watch my YouTube. Thank you. Hi everybody. See our doors. You see, this is our doors. It's waiting to pack in, and just saying, wow, it's really cute and big. If you are interested, please contact me. They are waiting for ship. Naked, no clothes. They are waiting for jazz. This is our private mode, so we can If you are interested in place order, then we can make this for you. We have eight features. Welcome to contact me. I will send other features to you to show it.